And these are recent policy changes
Yes,
since Dobbs.
since the new administration.
So since 2025
Yes.
then.
And so one of the policies that the VA changed, which I think was really critical and has saved lives, is with the Dobbs decision. The SEC VA at that time said this is a safety issue. This is a healthcare issue. If a woman veteran needs a pregnancy termination for medical reasons, they should be able to get that wherever they live. And because the provider should not be put in the situation of, if I don't provide this medical care, this person will die, it was life or health of the mother, not just life of the mother, as it is with DOD.
So just to clarify, you said women veterans. So this is after military service.
After Dobbs, yes.
Oh.
So
after a woman has left the military.
after a woman has left the military. And what a lot of people don't realize, and I didn't realize until I was actually practicing in VA, is that although the DOD and VA policies in healthcare are similar and often mirror each other, they're not exact. And so for the military, the abortion policy is life of the mother, rape, or incest. For the VA, it's life or health of the mother, rape, or incest. And so the travel policy for VA covered and for DOD covered abortions has not changed. It's only for those women seeking pregnancy termination that is not covered by DOD or VA.
Seems like that is a very significant difference between life and health.
Yes. And so it really is, as a physician, it really is critical for it to be life and health and not just life. Because for young, healthy people, when it is clear that they won't survive without the care, they're often very close to death. With elderly people, their vital signs, their pulse, their blood pressure will change before death is imminent. With young people, because they have better reserves, it doesn't. And so that decision is one that's very difficult to make. And if you don't make it in time, you can lose the patient. And the example that I sometimes use with people is, if you told a surgeon, if you diagnose appendicitis, but you can't take the appendix out unless they're likely to die, people would consider that to be unacceptable.
In that type of calculus about the health or the status of the fetus, how is that connected? So the life, the safety, the well-being of the mother.
The biggest predictor of whether or not a fetus will survive is if the mother survives. So if the mother dies, the fetus is very likely to die.